Hi everyone. Hello, hello, hello. How are y'all doing? It's your lady signing in again. My name is Lois Nichols and I am the CEO and founder of Nicole Fashions. I'm also a distributor of Atomy products. Okay? My company, Nikki Beauty Products, all we do is we distribute top quality products from Atomy. Now you must have been seeing some of my demo, some of the product demos I've been putting out there, and I really hope you're liking our products. Atomy products, they're top sellers, absolute products, absolute prices. You can't go wrong with Atomy products. Join me right now as I do some unboxing. I just got those products coming. I'm always very happy when I have to unbox because I like what I see. I hope you can see this. I'll bring it closer. Yeah, that's it. We're going to be opening that. Let's see what we've got inside. Let's see what we've got inside. Trust me, I get so many of this. Sometimes I don't know what is inside anymore, because they just keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. So, by the way, for those of you still asking me, okay, Nikki Beauty Products is an arm of Nicole Fashions. Okay, we are one family, one big happy family. Okay, Nicole Fashions is my fashion brand where I do basically, it's an online fashion brand where I do basically fashion accessories for men and women. And our website is www.loisnichols.com. But Nikki Beauty Products on its own, our products for Nikki Beauty Products are Atomy products. We are distributors, okay? One of the pioneer distributors of Atomy products in the United Kingdom, okay? So all my customers that are asking me, what's this new Nikki Beauty Products thing you're doing? Yes, it's still a part of Nicole Fashions, but we are branching off into beauty and healthcare as well, bringing in more products for you. We want to take care of you both externally and internally as well, okay? So all our beauty and health products are courtesy of Atomy company, okay? Atomy company is based in South Korea and they have one of the best of the best. You only need to try their products. I don't even need to say too much. Just a trial will convince you. So if you've listened to any of my product demos and you feel you want to try any of the products, okay, please feel free. You know what to do. Send a DM, okay? So let's get cracking. Let's see what we have in here. Let's see. I like to unbox, I like new things. I don't know. Do you feel that way too sometimes? I just like new things. Oh dear. Oh. Look at what I've got here. Oh my God, look at all this. Look at all this. I know you're asking. I don't know what it is, so, Atomy Puer Tea. I don't know why I call it with a swag. Every time I call it, I'm like, tea. This is our weight loss product, okay? Tried, tested, and proven to help you burn those calories fast, okay? Atomy Puer Tea. Okay, this is a one to look out for, one to try, And guess what? Look at this. The popular bestseller Propolis Toothpaste. You've never seen a toothpaste like this in your life. A toothpaste that is made from propolis and catechin. Catechin is the active ingredient in green tea, and propolis is the jelly-like brownish substance you find around beehives. These two products have strong antibacterial properties, so you can go wrong using Atomy Propolis Toothpaste. Prevents dental cavities, prevents bad breath, mouth ulcers, just name it, okay? This will do you a lot of good, okay? And what better product to use than a product that doesn't have chemicals? So I love it. So I've got loads, you know. Guess what? These have all been taken. They've all been taken. Yeah, they've all been taken. I'm shipping them out. They've all been taken. Gone. I'm shipping them out. Okay, so that's now join me. Let's look at the other one. There's another one here. Yeah, you can see it's sealed. Okay, it's got the typical Atomy seal. Oh dear. Let's see what we got in here. And this is my best part of this products. Just unboxing and opening the products. Okay. Hope I'm not turning my back on you. You know I love you. I can't turn my back on you guys. I love you so much. So for those of you asking what we do with Nikki Beauty products, Nikki Beauty and Health products, all we do is distribute. We are distributors of Atomy products, okay? We are distributors. One of the pioneer distributors of Atomy products in the United Kingdom, okay? And we're based in London. We're based in London. Ooh, look at this one. I've got some vitamin C and some probiotics. So I've got probiotics 10 plus here. I've got probiotics. I've got vitamin C here. Trust me, try Atomy vitamin C. I always say you will not buy vitamin C anywhere else. Mark my word. Quote me anywhere. Oh, this is the Puer Tea I just showed you. So these are some of the products I just got for some of my customers, okay? And you know me, when I get new products like that, I just want to share it with you guys. I will be coming to do more product demo because I can't stop talking about Atomy products. They're nice, they're lovely, they work, they're effective, you know. So thank you for sharing my unboxing with me. Until I see you in my next video. Gosh, in fact, I need to show you this. Look at my table. Let me take this. And if you can see my table, do you see them products? Do you see all those products? Yeah? You see all those products? That's my little shop. My little shop. Oh dear. So until I see you, love you all. Take care. And I'll see you in my next video. Love you. Be good to yourself, okay? Cheers. Bye. Bye.